Hello again. In the previous video, you learned about system development lifecycle. Now, we will discuss various types of system development lifecycle models one by one. There are many models which are followed during the software development process. These are also referred to as software development process models. Each model follows a sequence of steps which ensures success of the process involved in software development. Some of the most important and popular SDLC models which are being followed are Waterfall model, Prototype model, Iterative model, and Spiral model. Let's discuss Waterfall model in detail. It is the first process model that was used in the software development process. It is very simple to understand and use, as users have to follow the steps in sequence always. In this, each phase must be completed before the starting of the next phase, and there is no overlapping in the phases. This type of software model was basically used for the projects which are small and there are no uncertain requirements. In this, the testing of software is done only after the development is complete. There are various stages in the development of waterfall model. Let's look at them one by one. The first phase is requirement gathering and analysis. This phase involves all possible requirements of the system to be developed and captured and documented. System design. The system design is produced or prepared using the requirements gathered from the first phase. In this phase, all the system designs are analyzed and specified, like hardware, system configuration, and architecture of the system. After this, the implementation phase follows. The output received from the design phase is used to develop each unit and implement. Then these units are integrated in the next phase. Each unit is developed and tested individually for its functionality, which is referred to as unit testing. Integration and testing helps in combining all the units developed during the design phase after testing of each unit. After integration, the entire system is tested again for any faults and failures. Deployment of system. Once the functional and non-functional testing is done, it is made sure that no bug or defect or any kind of issue is there. Once the product is deployed to the production, the end users start using the product. Maintenance is the last phase. There may occur some problems in the client-side environment. To fix those issues, maintenance is necessary. This helps to make changes required by the clients at any time. All these phases are linked to each other in the way that the output of one phase serves as the input for another. The next phase is started only after the requirements defined by previous phase are achieved. There are various advantages of this model. Firstly, it is simple, easy to use, and to be followed. It is easy to manage as each phase delivers the specific output. This model is very cost-effective and easy to afford, and it works well for smaller projects where requirements are very well understood. However, there are certain disadvantages of waterfall model. It is difficult to make changes once the application enters into the testing stage, and software is produced only at the end of the life cycle of the model. It involves high amounts of risks and uncertainty also, and it is not good for complex and object-oriented projects. This model is also not recommended for long and ongoing projects. And also, it is not suitable for the projects where requirements keep changing, as this increases the chances of risk to more extent. We will be discussing the other models one by one in the upcoming videos. Thank you.